Okay, sorry about that break there, but let's get back into it. I ended my time on the video. So, I'm here again with the Intro to Engineering slide. I've got my Word document. So, list, what is an engineer? What does an engineer do? Okay, difference between invention and innovation. Invention is an entirely new product system or process that has never existed before. For example, CD player and MP3 player. CD player, that is an invention. And we used to walk around with these things when I was your age. We used to walk around with these. They were awesome, brand new. You had a CD in there. But then comes along the MP3 player. Now, the MP3 player was an invention. Now, an innovation on the MP3 player would be like the iPod click wheel, because it's an MP3 player, but this was a new improvement to something that already existed, and that's why it's an innovation. So just to go back really quickly, summarize this. Difference between an invention and an innovation. An invention and an innovation. An invention is entirely new, and an innovation is an improvement on an invention. Okay, so let's move along. Why do you need to learn about engineering and technology? Oh, simple. It's all around us. Everything, look around you, everything, including your house, has been engineered and is technology. And there are a lot of jobs available. I know you guys are young, but you're going to be looking for jobs, and I want you to be prepared for a nice career. I want you to make more money than Mr. Rutz. So that's why you need to learn about engineering and technology. You could find your future career, or you may learn that you don't want to do it. So let's go back. Types of engineers. So we have an electrical engineer. They work with electricity. Pharmaceutical chemical engineer. They work with a lot of chemistry and machines to make sure that you can produce certain things without any reactions or things you don't want. Computer engineer, anything with computers. So that would be your car, could be a watch, your cell phone definitely. Computers, that's another thing. They design new components and innovate components that already exist. Computer engineer. There was one at HP who invented the USB. You ever use a USB? It's a universal serial bus, I think. But yeah, just the thing that plugs into your computer. Somebody invented that. There's an engineer. You can look at these if you want. So, last part, the conclusion questions. I want you to think back on my first video, second video. Look at this PowerPoint slide and include this. I want you to think, what could possibly make your life better? And the way that you look at this, think of where there's something in your life that's annoying or a problem. Because problems are really just hints at potential inventions or innovations. So it doesn't have to be a product itself. It could be just a system, like a series of steps that you do every day to make your life better. Okay, number 2, is it invention or innovation? So you answer that, and I'll check it out. What types of engineers might work on this project? You can limit yourself to these, or if you do a quick Google search, you'll find types of engineers. Aboriginal access. 40 different types of engineering degrees. There we go. These would all qualify for this assignment. Yeah. Mechanical, aerospace, biomedical, biomechanical, automotive, all these different types. We're going to be learning about these later on. But until then, give me your emails. If you have any questions, send me an email. That's right on my site. Lost my stuff here. But then you would upload this, and there's a video for that as well. All right. Have a good weekend, guys.